Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Ali and we are here with another video. Before I get started with that part of the video, I just want to go ahead and remind all of you, if you like my videos, please consider subscribing and don't forget to give them a thumbs up. So what we have for today's video, it is one of these. We finally got another Fabfitfun box. These are seasonal boxes, so we finally got the one for our summer season. And for those of you that don't know about the Fabfitfun box, like I mentioned, it's a seasonal box. It is $49.99 a box. So each box is curated for the season that we receive it for. The one that we have right now, it is for the summer season. So this is what the box looks like for this season. It's nice and colorful and it's actually pretty big. So I'm really curious to see what we have in here. So I'm just gonna go in and see what we have. So here we have the magazine that we always get with this box, and on the cover we have Gabby Douglas. She's a gymnast, I believe. And in here you get all the other product information of the other options that you had in this box, because if you have the annual subscription, you can actually customize your box. And then in here they give you the price, they give you some information on the items, and just so you know more or less what items you're working with. Gonna put that aside, and then they always give you coupons. Like this one here is from Green Chef, $90 off plus free shipping. And then this one here is Bright Cellars, Discover Your Wine Love. This one is $50. So they always add some coupons in there. And now let's get in. So I'm going to start with this one here, just because I think this one, I bought it. When you customize your box and say they give you 3 options, and then say you choose one, but you also really like 2 and 3 or just 2, you have the option of adding it onto your box for a discounted price. So I think that's what I did with this here. This is from Black. This is the mask here. This is, I think, a peel off mask. And then these are, they're like really dusty because of the little things, but these are under eye patches that have charcoal in them. I think that's what it is. It also has hyaluronic acid. So I think I just bought this one like as an extra, but I know this was one of the options when you customize your box. Then I'm just going to go in and I'm going to get this one here. This is from Lashes MD. This is like eyelash and eyebrow conditioner. I actually wanted to try something like that for my eyebrows, just because I feel like they are a little bit sparse. So if I can get something that will help me, I don't know what it does really, if it helps you grow more eyebrows or thicken them or whatever, but this is the one that they gave me. So I'm actually excited to try this because, like I said, I always wanted something like this. There's really no scent, but that's your little brush. And I guess it's small like this because you can also use it on your eyelash. So you pretty much just put this on like you would eyeliner, so it can go into your lash line. So I don't know if I would try it on my eyelashes. That's a little bit scary. It's a little bit too close to my eye. Up next we have this here from Tarot. It is a foot cream. Oh, okay. I guess the scent is Sicilian blood oranges. That should be good. This one is just a foot cream. It just says massage onto your heels and toes twice a day. I really want to smell this. Ooh, yeah. It smells like oranges, and it feels really good. It feels really like thick and hydrating. So I'm excited to use this on my feet. And I don't think it's something that you have to wash off. It's literally just foot lotion. So put it on, forget about it, and that's it. Up next, I'm going to grab this one here. It is from Winky Luxe. It is a brow pencil. It says Universal Brow Pencil. From when we have received Universal Color Brow Pencils, I don't think they're so universal. Because what if you have dark, like almost black eyebrows, or what if you have blonde hair with, blonde eyebrows. So this is the pencil that we have here, gold with like small white letters. It just says Swinky Lux Universal Brow Pencil. And let's see. Oh, it's shaped almost like a teardrop. It has an interesting shape, but let's see what color. Oh, see, like this I think would be fine for me, the color, because it's actually pretty dark. But for somebody with light hair, I think this would be too dark. So I don't see how this is universal, honestly. But this is our third item. We have something here from Spongelle. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it. But normally we get the actual sponges from this brand. But here we have a hand cream. And this is in the scent Coconut Verbena. That is the bottle there. It's a really pretty bottle. It's a lime green with golden accents. And let me see what this smells like. Ooh, that smells really good. It almost, it has that coconut scent. But then it also almost has like a candy scent. It smells really good. Coconut, I think it's like one of my favorite scents because it's so calm, but then also almost like refreshing, then also like smooth. It gives me a lot of feelings. But this one, I think it smells really, really good. It has that mixture of the coconut and the candy. I really, really like this one. And this one, it also says that it's infused with shea butter, macadamia seed oil, and argan oil. So it has a lot of good for your hands. So good. Let me see. I'm going to get into these bigger ones. Ooh, I have something from Isaac Mizrahi. This is the box, and it looks like it got a ceramic decorative vase or vase. I never know which one it is. Some people call it vase, some people call it vase. I call it vase. I don't know if vase is wrong or not, but let's see what we have here. Ooh, this is pretty. So this is our nice little vase. This is ceramic, so you can tell you cannot touch this if you have dirty hands because it will get dirty really fast. But this whole bottom part is like that rough ceramic feel, and this is a nice like shiny glossy kind of feeling. It's really, really pretty. That's the only thing that worries me. If somebody touches it with dirty hands, this is gonna get dirty really, really quick. But it's really, really pretty. I really like it. I really like that tone of pink. Let's see what else we have. Ooh, what is this? This is from Zoe Isla, Face and Body. Ooh, yes, I know what this is. Where's my blade? Aha. So this is awesome. So this is, I haven't really read much on this, but I know because it's called Face and Body Ice Roller. This is like not ceramic. This is like steel or some type of metal. You will put this in the freezer or refrigerator to get it cold. And then you're supposed, ooh, that's really cold already. And then you're supposed to roll it on your face. So see, it says leave the ice roller in the freezer for 4 or more hours before use. Roll it over your face and neck daily for visible improvements. The ice roller can also be used on the body to soothe bug bites. Ooh, I get a lot of bug bites, especially right now that it's summer. I get a ton of bug bites. They love biting me on my legs. So it says it can soothe bug bites, sunburn, tense or sore muscles post-workout. Treat bruises and aches or lessen discomfort before or after cosmetic treatments. So this is really cool. I saw this. I don't even know where, probably on Instagram. But I saw this and it looked really cool. And I know, applying cool like compressions to your face, it's also really good for your skin. So I'm really excited to try this one out. And then I think I am down to my last item, and this one I know I chose it when I customized my box. It's really cute. Let me show you guys. So this is from Business and Pleasure Co. And it's a little, like, not lunch bag, or what would you call this? Yeah, it's a cooler bag. So it's not like, I mean, obviously, if you need to pack something really big for lunch, then you can take this. But it's a little cooler bag. So it has two little handles. It's being held by this little thing here. And it also comes with the strap. This is all over the place. But it also comes with this strap here. And let me show you guys the inside so you guys can see what I'm talking about. So this is it here. So it's a little cooler bag, and as you guys can see, it has the plastic lining and it's insulated, so it can keep your things, or it can help you keep things warm or cold. I just thought it was really, really cute. I like the yellow, and I like the stripes. It's super duper summery, and I just thought it was really, really cute. So I know for sure that this, when I customized my box, I know this is what I chose. The other items, I chose them, and then I forget what I choose. But then this one, I know I chose this one for sure. I just thought it was super duper cute. So really quick, let me just show you guys the magazine, so I can tell you guys what the MSRP prices are for the items that I chose, so we can get an idea of what my box value is. So on this page here, it tells you here what's in the box, and depending on what you customized your box with, depending on what items they gave you, your box value can range from $225.50 to up to $477. So from these, so this is section 1. These are the other available items, but I chose the one down here. I chose the Lash MD. The MSRP price for this one is $69.95. Then this is section 2. So from this page, these are all the other items that were available. And this is where I chose the cooler bag. So the MSRP for that one is $59. Then we go to the next section. Again, these are all of the other options. And from here, or actually, no, I'm sorry. So this is section 3. So these 3 items, that's where I got, okay. So this is, from this one here, I chose this one here, which is the black mask. So this one is $59. It's a set, but I actually bought it, and I didn't take it out. But on the side, I bought this dry bar spray. Oh, wait a minute. Okay, so 4 is, your option was this one, or this one. So again, I went with the roller. Then option 5 is this one, and these 2. And then that's when I went with the vase, which is $28. Then we have the Fabfitfun pick, which they choose what they want to put in your box. So they decided to put the Winky Lux eyebrow pencil, which is $16. They also put the Terraco foot lotion, which is $24. Then, I think that's it. I thought there was more, but no, that was all. So what does that give us? A total of $285.95. So that, I think, is a really good value. I got some pretty cool items. And then you just get some stories in this magazine. You get some pictures of, them using the items that are included in the box. They give you like information as to, how it's good. You have a crossword puzzle. It gives you information about their other sales that they're gonna have. So this magazine is included in every box, just their own magazine. But that brings us to the end of our Fabfitfun summer box for the year of 2020. So let me know what you guys think about this box, of course, down below. So those were all the items. So that means that is all for me for right now. I will be back really soon with another video, and I hope I will see all of you guys back here next time. Bye.